Whoa! Look at that! That was synced! Unrecognized, good enough. I'm surprised the batteries in that haven't fully died. Finally got that Jensen to go off. That one off. I heard it on that one. Alright. That's that. I cannot believe how good those were synced, even though they're on different channels. Oh, and that went off for a 15-minute event too. That never happens. Got that to go off. That one off. Alright, well, now for Burlington. Let's see how long they take.